What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? Thanks for tuning in to another Alopecia Solutions. YouTube, you have been doing your daggone thing out here in these streets, showing your girl love, commenting, subscribing, all that good jazz. So she has been through the ringer with all types of alopecia solutions. So my beautiful doll has received S&P, hair transplants, dermatologists, everything that you could throw underneath the sun. She has done it. And she has given your girl a challenge. Yes, okay? And when we did this consultation and she gave me the hairstyle talking about she want Wakanda forever, I'm like, okay, we're going to see what we're going to do. We're going to create a crochet alopecia solution today. You know I like to use my little mini to stretch hair from yonder. Where did she get the hair from? I do not know. I braid in the sky and it just lands somewhere on the scalp, okay? I do not know. Now, make sure that your comments are always where it needs to be. Forever hold your peace if this is not for you, because guess what? You're going to type till your hands fall off and it will never get seen on these YouTube streets, because guess what? I create my own content. So if I do not like it, if it's not positive, if it's not your jam, if it's not your hairstyle, guess what? Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell anyway. But go ahead and keep that comment to yourself. Say it in your mind. Don't get on your keyboard. Do not get the courage. Keep it to yourself. Now, we are creating some illusions. As always, I like to go ahead and make sure I keep the identity to my dolls secret, okay? We about what's going on. What can you do? We don't always have to use what's glue. Of course, I use a foundation support. I had to stop putting certain things on the screen because y'all thinking this is a tutorial. Tutorial. No, my T for Taneasha Hines. If you are in the Atlanta Street area, if you want to come and get on the plane, make a vacation out of it. Everything's not going to be in your backyard. Everything's not going to be in your space. Make sure you go on my Instagram to see consistent content on a regular basis. But guess what? YouTube got my attention, so you going to see the content on a regular basis. But you want something short. You don't want to see, something too long. You want to see some things that don't land on my YouTube channel, befores and afters. If that's your jam, you know what to do. Follow me on Instagram. So right now we doing some ombre. Trust the process. Trust the process. They be freaking out, child. Now I don't know what's going on in these goddamn beauty supply store streets. Oh, this is what was this? Oh, this was Latch Hook. Ugh. We moving forward. I have no comment, but we going ahead and using this hair. She's never had rope crochets before. It is a black-owned product. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and all that good jazz. So we are not going to be leaving it like this, okay? Trust the process, okay? I have to create an illusion where she does not have hair there. We going to go through, okay? She can switch it both sides. She can switch it both sides. It's the flexibility. I had to show y'all that content because y'all not going to see that on the after. You're not going to see that on the after. Okay? Now, when I'm going through and shaving this down, I go ahead and water it down with my water, okay? This is so I can go ahead and see what is going on to create the foundation of my shape, okay? So that's what we're doing right now. We're going through and creating some shape and all that good jazz. And I'm going to go through also with my thinning shears. Did you not know? So the reason why I have to wet it a little bit to cut is because this helps with the synthetic hair from acting a fool. If you are interested in getting slayed by your girl Taneasha Hines, make sure you go on www.officialposhhair.com. Now we add the product, okay? So you're like, oh my God, it's so much hair. It's so much hair out there. Guess what, okay? Trust the product, okay? Trust the process. We still going through. Boom. Look at all this daggone hair. I just had to go ahead and show y'all all this that was in her hair. But Taneasha, why did you put all that to cut it out? Remember, this is an alopecia solution, okay? You cannot do crochets the same way as you do with somebody with a full canvas as the same with somebody with an alopecia solution situation going on. I need the coverage. We can always go back and control the density based on the style and what looks good on my dog. Okay, let me do this. I just had to go ahead and put that in. All right, because if you go ahead and be skimpy, you when the wind blows, you see it. Bam. And of course, I had to pull out the rose gold Babe Bliss trimmers. We gave her Wakanda forever. She has the versatility to wear it back and forth. She ain't stuck with no wig. She has options. This is perfect for Atlanta streets. So again, you want somebody in your neighborhood? It sounds like to me you need to go ahead on www.officialposhhead.com and book your appointment, dolls and divos. Thanks for watching as always. YouTube, stay tuned to next week's episode. Until next time, deuces. That color is everything. Put yourself first, as always. I am.